Has starting an email list been on your agenda for a really long time? If so, you might be wondering, well, okay, I want to start an email list, but how much does it cost? And if that's you, then this video is going to help you figure out that exact problem and really give you some insight into my best and my favorite email platforms that are going to help to grow your email list and thus grow your business. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure that you never miss a video regarding organic and paid social media to help you grow your business. Hi everybody, welcome back. My name is Kaz. I'm an elite digital marketing coach and I'm here to help you find paying clients with your paid and organic social media. So building an email list is definitely, well, at least should be at the top of your to-do list, quite frankly. I hear a lot of people, they really take their time with this, and my biggest recommendation is not to do that. A lot of people get really sucked into social media. Ooh, it's so sexy, here we are, we're building a community, people can see me, da 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 da. It kind of, I get it, it's the shiny object that you go for, but the truth of the matter is, as I know you've heard before, you don't own these social media platforms, okay? So if something changes right now, as I'm recording this, TikTok's kind of going through a thing and people are freaking out about views and wanting to leave the platform because people are not seeing things, and you know, they change and they're so different, and so, you know, what they can do and how these social media platforms can just change their algorithm is completely at their whim, and you cannot be held to that, because if you've built your business in such a way and things change, you are going to have a big problem. So building your email list, creating it, growing it, nurturing it has to, must be at the top of your list if you do any kind of online business building or digital marketing. So to that end, you need to set this up, right? So that is honestly something that I highly recommend, if you have not done, to get off this video and do as soon as you watch this, because you have to start having a place to put people. Even if you collect, you know, say you're out and about and you exchange business cards, it's a really good practice to say, hey, may I put you on my email list? I wouldn't just do it, quite frankly. I would ask and say, hey, can I put you on my email list? You can be collecting emails without a fancy funnel right away, and I highly recommend you do. Now, one of the biggest questions is, how much does it cost to start an email list? And this is really good and really important. So I'm gonna break down my two favorite platforms. One is free up to a certain amount, and then the other you pay a little bit, but then it sort of incrementally grows, and there are benefits to both platforms. So I wanna get into both options, because if it's free, there's no reason you can't start it today. So the first platform I think is worth noting is MailerLite. So MailerLite you can get started with for free, and if that's something you want to do and you want to go down and you want to start something without paying the recurring charge and you want to get going with growing an email list, that is a great option. I will put the link below for you to sign up for it. It is free up until I think 1,000 subscribers, and then they start charging. There's a lot of great benefits, and I recommend this over MailChimp. MailChimp has a lot of automation issues. They've become a bit more stingy with what is free, what is not. Once you get past the free, it becomes very incrementally expensive. So I much prefer MailerLite over MailChimp, and there's just a lot of reasons in the back end why. I love the automations, I love the layout, I think it's very user-friendly if you're not techie. It's just a great option if you are just starting out and you want something simple, you just want to get going, you want to park these email addresses in a place, and you just want to get started. My other favorite recommendation is ConvertKit. So this is a really great option. I do believe you can start for free. These change all the time, so at the time of recording, I believe you can start for free up to 300 subscribers. So this is less than MailerLite, but I think there is a free option you can start with. This does change though, I will say. But here's the thing about these platforms. I have heard horror stories when people have picked a platform and then changed. For example, they've started with MailChimp and then they've gone to ConvertKit, and it can be problematic because the email delivery the email inboxes, Gmail, Yahoo, Hotmail, if we're still using those, they don't love seeing this whole different email from this whole different system. They like to they will kind of see it as spam. So I've seen what happens is when people move, their email delivery goes way down. So just keep that in mind, because it's really up to you which route you go. I always took the view that what I start with is what I want to have as a legacy and what I want to build with. So for me, I went straight into ConvertKit and I started paying, and I saw it as an investment to my business. And if that's the route you want to go, I really recommend that, honestly. But I wanted to present the free option too, because that just may not be financially an option for you. At the beginning, I think it's best to bootstrap your business, and if having a free mail platform is what you need to do that, then that's just the route it's going to take, and you're going to have to just sort out the deliverability options later. But ConvertKit is incredible for a number of reasons. Within it comes landing pages, really good automation, really good segmentation, really good support. You get access to all these really great webinars and trainings. There's a new community aspect that they're rolling out. It's really a great place. It's super easy. I've not had issues with deliverability, usability, anything like that. I really recommend it. The plan I'm on is $29 a month, and if you want more information, definitely click the link below. Obviously, prices change, things go up. I can't guarantee that's the amount right now. Definitely look them up and see what's going on and see if it's something that you can benefit from. Most of these platforms have free trials. Try them out, see what you like better. But ultimately, you're gonna have to decide between, okay, do I wanna start for free on something like MailerLite, or do I wanna start paying on something like ConvertKit? Ultimately though, the answer to this question, how much does it cost to start an email list? To start and to build, essentially nothing. Now, if you want to grow your email list with Facebook ads, I'm going to link a video up here that's really going to show you exactly how to do that. It walks you through setting up a lead generation ad, and you can connect that to your email platform, and that's really going to help you to grow your email list. This is working wonderfully right now. This is really great up-to-date strategy that's really going to help you grow your email list and grow your business. Alrighty, so I want to know, have you started building your email list? Do you have a favorite email list platform? Let me know in the comments below. I want to hear if you go the free route or the expensive route or something like ConvertKit. I want to know what your favorite email platform is in the comments below. Now, creating your email list is just one to do of so many, which is why I created my marketing checklist. This is going to give you really easy to schedule and organize tasks to help keep your marketing on track, okay? So it's going to give you monthly, weekly, and daily tasks to help you consistently market your business and attract those dream clients. If you want this checklist, click the link below. It is yours. Just sign up and it will be sent straight to your inbox. All right, thank you so much for watching this video. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit subscribe to be notified every time that a video goes live, and I will see you next time.